Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Look at this amazing chocolate filling cake. Ooh, so delicious. Start with a cake tin and spray on some cooking spray. Add some chocolate cake dough in one side and butter cake dough in the other side. Give it a tap and bake at 150 degrees for 30 minutes. Lovely. Using a bowl, cut out a hole in the middle. Scoop it out using a melon baller. Make it into a kind of a bowl. And then pour in dark and white chocolate ganache side by side. Ooh, best friends. Let's pop on some Kit Kat pieces. Lovely. And drizzle on some chocolate sauce. White chocolate frosting goes around the edge for a finishing touch. And then dark chocolate frosting on the other side. Perfect. And there you have it. Chocolate filling cake. Slice it up. And just watch it ooze out. So easy to make. And if you can't decide which flavour you want, this is perfect. Half chocolate, half vanilla. Who could ask for anything more? Go on, give it a go. I absolutely love this cake. It's just bursting with colour and absolutely delicious. All you need is a basic chocolate cake. You can buy it ready-made from the supermarket or even pre-bake it yourself. We're going to fill it with buttercream chocolate flavoured icing. Then we're going to layer it a few times and cover the entire cake with our buttercream icing. We can use a nice piece of plastic to smooth it down along the sides and on the top. Now we're going to melt some dark chocolate buttons and we're going to pour that onto, yes, you saw right, it's bubble wrap. A fantastic and creative way of making a really cool pattern. That has been cut to size to fit around the outside of our cake. So once that's set, we wrap it all the way around. And then it's time to carefully peel away the bubble wrap. And we're left with a beautiful bubbly pattern on our chocolate. Some juicy strawberries, a sprinkling of blueberries, and some cherries, maybe even a few raspberries as well. We're going to fill the top of our cake with beautiful colours and some mint leaves for a touch of green. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. And it's a work of art. And it really was that easy. Cake, buttercream, bubble wrap, and berries. Super simple. Choco-berrylicious. If you're artistic and creative and love chocolate, you have got to try this gorgeous chocolate faulty line cake. Oh my goodness. Start with your basic chocolate cake, and we are going to layer it filled with buttercream icing. Using a food piping bag for ease to just pipe it on top of each layer. Keep going as much as you like. We're doing 3 layers. Using a spinning plate, we can just easily pipe on the rest of the buttercream icing around the outside and then use a flat knife or spatula to smooth it all over. Ready to decorate with your chocolate. We're using Merci chocolates and Maltesers. You can of course use any chocolate bars or pieces of chocolate that you like. Stick them on. Then add some more chocolate buttercream beneath and above and smooth it over. On top as well, because we're going to decorate the top with, yes that's right, more chocolate buttercream. We are piping it on with a serrated edge nozzle to create a beautiful effect and adding a chocolate on top of each. And there you have it. Fit for a queen, or maybe a princess, or a prince, or even a king. Who knows? I think I'll just eat it all myself.